As you know, Adobe also has a Photoshop program. It's used to design shapes. And unlike Illustrator, Photoshop is a pixel-based application. The more you zoom in on the details, the quality gets worse. Sometimes we need to use Photoshop for animations. Some designs better in Photoshop. After that, animate shapes in After Effects. There is no problem, but you should use the high DPI for design. From the image menu, choose the image size and put the resolution on 300 and more. Be sure to layer all the components you are designing, like what I did with this mosquito. I put 4 wings in 4 layers and separated its body. Save the file you designed. To import files from Photoshop into the After Effects, we do the same thing we did for Illustrator. Double click here. I choose the housefly PSD file. Be careful, don't select this Photoshop sequence. Press Import. A window similar to Illustrator window opens. But here we have 3 options. In addition to footage and composition, we also have composition written layer size. The footage is clear. If you select the merge layers, it merges the layers as a single layer. If you want to just add one layer to the scene, use this one, like the left wing or the right one. Footage dimensions has also 2 options. Layer size, which makes a transform box in the size of the object, and document size, which is the same size as your document. The composition has 2 options. Editable layer style and merge layer style. Editable imports file with layers, but merge imports files by merging the layers into one layer. Merge has no use for us here. What is their difference? It's about the transform box. It is the size of the object or it is the size of your document. The composition creates a transform box with the size of your document, and composition written layer size creates the transform box in the size of objects. Let me show you a picture. I double click here. Now to select this right wing, I have to move the upper layers first. I move the body, then the left wing, and so on. Their transform box is as size of the document. This option doesn't work for us. So if you want to import a PSD file, be sure to put this on composition written layer size, editable layer style. You can see the difference. Now I can animate them apart. I change the background color to see the mosquito much easier. So you learned about how you can import PSD files into the After Effects. It's just like the Illustrator files. Suppose you want to edit this wing. It can be done directly in the After Effects. I close Photoshop. Choose one of these layers and press Ctrl E. Photoshop automatically opens. You can see the mosquito here. I choose this right wing. With the brush tool, I add some lines like this. If I press Ctrl S and go back to the After Effects, the changes are applied. These 2 programs are easily connected. You can easily open Photoshop files in After Effects, edit and animate them.